His brains are...
I couldn't even come on last night. Like, I am just awake now. And I couldn't come on last night after The Last of Us. I haven't felt that much intensity watching an episode of television since Game of Thrones and maybe Stranger Things a bit as well. Oh my, I was like, anyway, I'm not going to say anything more, but that was a really good episode of TV, and you rarely get kind of shocked, I'd say, by television these days, and it was a real shocking episode. I will do a little spoiler warning, even though I haven't given any spoilers. I will do one just in case anyone wants. I like to go in an episode knowing nothing. I kind of knew by a few Instagram posts, like, oh, watching episode 2 with somebody who's never played the game before, and like looking at them in anticipation. I saw that, but I didn't really know what it meant. You know, it could have been a number of things that happened in that episode, but I definitely know what it was now. Anyone else watching The Last of Us? What's everyone thinking? I'm really enjoying season 2, and I'm actually simultaneously rewatching season 1 with Sean because he hasn't watched it at all. So yeah, I'm getting my fill. Video.
I do believe we're having coffee.
It was 145 euros. It was 100. Is that all right?
Tastes like coffee. Just that slightly watery coffee.
Speak. I finally got my sticky thing back on my phone, so I slept really heavily with an eye mask on and I got like marks on my face. Anyway, I'm making my morning smoothie and I'm basically coming on to kind of wrap this vlog off, even though I haven't come on to talk yet, but I can give you a quick update on my reading, on my life. I was away filming a commercial on a cruise ship for a week, and it was possibly the most intense, insane, crazy, fun experience ever. It was like one of those things that you'll never forget. It was just mental. But so fun, and met amazing people, and we all got on so well, and it was just like big teaming together. It was so fun. So that is what that was going on. I read The Girls by Emma Cline over that time. It took me ages to finish it. Again, I didn't love it. I was like, great, another book I've chosen, and I'm not enamored. I didn't feel like picking it up. It was just disappointing. Now, to be fair to these books, I've had a lot going on, and maybe that's another reason why I haven't been enjoying them as much. But yeah, no, it was like fine. I'd say another 3-star, maybe 3.5 for that one. Nah, 3-star. And then I've come home and I have recharged, reset. I feel really, this is the first day I probably feel back to normal. And I had my sister come to visit just this weekend gone. So I came back Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I was dead. Saturday my sister came with my niece. And then today I'm feeling normal again. It's Wednesday. So I've been back a week now and I'm feeling back to myself. And I started, which I've like been thinking about starting for so many times, is Yellowface by R.F. Kuang. And I've read Babel and I liked it. Oh, I really liked it. I didn't love it like some people do, but I'm really enjoying Yellowface because I'm finally getting a book. And like, if you've read this book, you'll know, a very easy book to read. It's a page turner. I've been having a lot of duds recently with my reading, so having this is a breath of fresh air where I'm just like page, turn, and it's a fun story, and it's keeping me entertained. And the main character is awful, which I kind of love. I love reading about awful characters. So, you know, guys, I'm just really enjoying it. I'm really happy, and hopefully I'll be getting my reading slump now, because that's been 3 books in a row, I believe. Well, it's not good, guys. Listen, guys, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this non-speaking vlog. I think I got loads of fun footage of, you know, quite a few places. So I hope, oh damn it, I didn't need to do that first. And so yeah, I will update you on the Yellowface the next time I come on here, and I can't imagine I'm not going to really enjoy it the whole way through. That's it. I'm going to end this here. I'm getting back. I'm back in the country. I'm recharged, revived. Clearly I slept well last night. What is that? It's a true indentation. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it.